Do you remember Nestle Crunch? Really delicious. It's just like a cereal with some milk chocolate. Tasty, really crunchy. I decided to go at it and see whether I could make a better version of it. I think I did. Just like anyone, I'm addicted to chocolate. I love it. And I love chocolate bars, but I never buy them just because I don't know, I feel guilty and I'm afraid I'm going to eat the entire thing. The last time I tried a Nestle Crunch chocolate bar, I said, I have to find out how to do a copycat of this. So here it is. This bar was developed in 1938 and it still tastes incredible. Mine's just airier, crispier, and I added a touch of peanut butter, which makes it taste so special. This is made with just a crispy cereal. I actually used a Special K, but you can use any low sugar cereal like Rice Krispies. Oh my God. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I know this is going to be on your table tomorrow.